Hello and welcome. In this video you will gain valuable information about the setup and operation of the DE-3 desktop engraver. Video 4. Installing the nose cone. For this operation you will need the nose cone unit, the nose cone component, in this case metal. This is generally used for harder substrates, and the resin is used for acrylics or glass. The nose cone lock and the nose cone set screw. Make sure the spring is loaded to the screw. First, take the nose cone unit, turn it upside down, place the metal component inside the channel on the top, take the nose cone lock and carefully screw it on until it is hand tight. Just a little snug is fine. Now you are ready to put the nose cone unit on the spindle. Place the unit on the spindle and twist counterclockwise until it is completely tightened. Notice the series of numbers on the nose cone unit. These are set in thousandths. It's okay that the nose cone did not set to 0. Now spin it back to get to 0 and give it 2 full twists. This is setting up the nose cone for your engraving. Once you have set it to 2 full twists, it is now time to put the set screw in and you are ready to set up your tool. Go to video number 5.